Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your study abroad experience with GoAbroad step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the GoAbroad website. Navigate to the Study Abroad section on the homepage. Browse through the various programs available. Select a program that aligns with your academic and personal goals. Review the program details thoroughly, including location, duration, and costs. Take note of any application deadlines listed for your chosen program. Create an account on the GoAbroad platform if you haven't done so already. Fill in your profile information accurately to help match you with the right opportunities. Start the application process for your selected study abroad program. Gather all required documents, such as transcripts, letters of recommendation, and a personal statement. Ensure your documents meet the specific guidelines and requirements outlined by the program. Submit your application along with all supporting documents by the stated deadline. After submission, monitor your email for any updates or feedback from GoAbroad. Prepare for any interviews or follow-up questions that may arise during the selection process. Once accepted, review the pre-departure orientation materials provided. Begin to organize your travel arrangements, including flights and accommodation. Consider applying for any necessary visas for your study abroad destination. Connect with other students who will be studying abroad through online forums or social media groups. Familiarize yourself with the culture and customs of your host country. Stay organized by creating a checklist of items to pack and tasks to complete before departure. Finally, embrace the adventure that awaits and look forward to your enriching study abroad experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.